Hi Aries, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine following the rules and guidelines of the government. One important thing guys is that if you wish to donate, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to help us with for enrolling tarot learning 10 days workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so kindly check it out. But yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you guys, Aries, for the month of October. What are you going through in the month of October? What are you going through in the month of October? And if you wish to donate, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Okay, what are you going through? What are you going through? What are you going through? Okay, so you are going through some sort of traveling. Okay, you are thinking to travel, or you are going towards some victory, Aries. Okay, you are working hard towards something and you are going towards you are going to be victorious in the month of October. Okay, I think you are having a lot of financial gains, or your relationship is going on good, whatever it is, but you are moving towards a victory. Okay, if you follow your present plan, what is likely to be the outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, what will be the outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, what will be the outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, what will be the outcome of the situation? Okay, if you follow the present plan, what will be the outcome of the situation, Aries? There is a new beginning on the horizon. Okay, you are going to take a risk towards someone or something, and there is a new beginning on the horizon. Okay, it might be related to finances, it might be related to career, it might be related to a relationship. Okay, but taking a risk and moving towards a new beginning is there. What do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? What do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? What, some of you might be relocating also to a new place. Okay, so yes, changing up of a location, relocating, this is only for few of the people. Okay, so yeah, what do you need to know about your career, relationship or situationship? There is a blockage into a communication. Someone is not communicating, or there is less communication, either in a relationship or in a career. Okay, so what do you need to do to change the situation? What you need to do to change the situation? What you need to do to change the situation? Wait. What you need to do to change the situation? What you need to do to change the situation? Okay, so you are not trusting your intuition level. If you start trusting your intuition level, there will be coming together, reconciliation or reunion will be happening with your partner. If some of you are into separation, coming together, reconciliation, reunion is happening. And then if some of you are single and you are thinking about getting married, then a person might enter into your life, but it will only happen when you will trust your intuition level, because there has to be a solid communication which is needed. A proper heart to heart communication is needed, but you are not doing it. There is less or no communication. You are not trusting your intuition level, and that's why this coming together is not happening, and that's why a lot of blockages are created into the way for the same. Okay, so tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Okay, they are actually waiting and disappointed, thinking about the past. Okay, they are just waiting, and they are just very much disappointed when it comes to the waiting game of this relationship. Okay, so that's the issue they are going through. Okay, yeah. They're just stuck, blocked. Okay, sorry. So your energies are stuck, guys. Okay, so your partners is stuck. They don't know how to move, they don't know where to move, how they want to move forward. So yeah, where this relationship is going, 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 where this relationship is going. This relationship is going towards hoping, believing, and manifesting wishes. Okay, like whatever you both are, wishing, you and your partner, you both want something. Okay, either to stay single or either to be with your partner, but hoping, believing is happening, manifesting, you both are manifesting each other. Okay, energetically, not physically, energetically, because I can see that there is a blockage into a communication. Okay, so what you should focus on from now, 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 what should you should focus on from now, what you should focus on from now. You should focus on your spiritual awakening which you are blocking. Okay, and there is a karmic justice which needs to be done. So a karmic cycle has to come to an end, but it's not happening because you are not getting healed, your heart is not healed properly yet. Okay, and that's why a blockage has been created into your heart chakra, and that's why this karmic cycle is not ending. Okay, so that's the problem. If you are dealing with a karmic partner, then relationship is going to get end. If you are dealing with a twin flame connection, then karmic cycle is going to get end, and a reconciliation or reunion will be happening. Okay, so yeah, outcome. Okay, sorry, hopes and fears. Your hopes and fears, your hopes and fears. What are your hopes and fears, Aries? What are your hopes and fears? 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 What are your hopes and your energy is stuck, Aries. That's why I'm not unable to take out the cards. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, what are your hopes and fears? Okay, I'm just taking this too because your cards are okay. Your hopes and fears are that you're holding back. Your hope and your fear comes under the devil energy. Okay, so there's this devil energy near you, and you're just holding back because of that issue. If you're doing so, do not do it, because you have a hope and fear that this relationship might not work. Okay, that is your fear, and your hope is that it should work, but you are holding back, you're not doing it. Okay, that's the problem. Outcome. Or you also think that there is a energetically there is a devil energy around you, or this relationship might not work the way I want. Okay, so the outcome is that there is a new beginning on the horizon in the month of October. Okay, when it comes to your financial gain, financial life. Okay, new opportunities are on the way, on the horizon. Okay, so yeah, no new opportunities are on the horizon. Outcome. Your outcome. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of you are Aries, you are feeling very exhausted when it comes to your wish fulfillment, which is not happening currently because there's a lot of blockages and delays. You are not moving on from the past. Whatever happened in the past, it makes you disappointed, and you think that you want to move on from this particular situation or a person or this emotions, but you are not. You're not, unable to move on. Okay, that's the problem, and you are still holding on to the past situation. Okay, okay. Traveling, you will be traveling you are thinking to travel to some of the new places, and also a few of you might be going for relocating to a different place. Okay, you feel that you are ready to participate into the thought process of others, okay, which you were not. Like now you are actually ready to contribute into something, okay, like putting a lot efforts into something. You are ready for it energetically. Okay, if you are not working on physically, this is happening energetically to you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's say now you are working, you want that, you think that this relationship is a spiritual connection. Okay, you have that into your mind. Okay, so yeah, guys, kindly like, share and subscribe, and kindly book my session. And also one more thing, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading, the same day reading, I'm charging USD 200. Okay, so you can. Okay, so there's a throat chakra, a lot of blockages when it comes to communication. Okay, which I said just now. So you have to heal your throat chakra because you're not communicating right now. And fifth chakra also. Okay, so there's some issues going on with your stomach. Okay, if you are having issues with your stomach or some issues are happening, so just pay attention to the same. The issues when it comes to stability, okay, having a solid stability is not happening right now. Okay, so what are the universal messages for the same for you? Okay, your energy is so stuck that when I try to pull out one card, 5 cards wakes comes out. What are the universal messages? What are the universal messages? Okay, the first message, the second message, 2 more. Two more. Okay, so the first universal message for you is, in every moment the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking and the energy of love. Wow, universe is working with you. The second universal message, when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. Universe is supporting you, he's sending you messages. I don't know if you are understanding those messages or not. Okay, do not ignore those universal messages. When I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. So go within, go through spirituality, go through spiritual awakening, because you are understanding nowadays. You are within yourself. The fourth message, I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. Okay. That's a beautiful thing, guys. Okay, so your gemstone for the month, your message for the month of October is, I'm going to tell you, and your archangel is Archangel Raziel for the month of October, Aries. Your message is, I see life from a positive perspective. I have enhanced mental ability. I magnetically attract peaceful, thoughtful people into my circle. I intuitively know what I need to know when I need it. I am grateful for assistance from the heavenly realm. So there's a divine universe which is trying to tell you to understand the things. Okay, so the gemstone is do more tire right. Are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense, or know information and guidance from angels and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. Objectively observe patterns and behavior and shifts. You are actually going through major spiritual awakening, and your shifts is happening within yourself. A lot of changes you are facing right now. Okay, and which is very true, because it will help you to guide you to your higher self. Okay, your higher level of spirituality you will go through, which is the best part, guys. Okay, so this is a beautiful reading for spirituality, for understanding what you are going through right now and what you are going through within, which is the best part. One important thing, just do not allow the universe to heal you, which you are not doing, because your heart chakra and crown chakra and throat chakra is blocked. You should not do it. Okay, so yes, guys. Okay, one more important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.